Pray, hope, and don't worry is the phrase of the fiesta in honor of Santo Padre Pio. And truly, this year we are celebrating the Jubilee fiesta in honor of Padre Pio, the Jubilee of Hope.
It was 57 years ago today, on September 23rd of 1968, that Padre Pio went to God, that he finished his pilgrimage on this earth. The gospel is so perfect for Padre Pio. The harvest is abundant, but the laborers, the workers are few. So Jesus says, ask the master of the harvest to send out laborers for his harvest. Padre Pio was a laborer in the harvest of God. He was one sent out to gather in the harvest of God, that is, the holy people of God.
Ngayong pong araw ay 23rd ng buwan ng Setyembre at napakahalaga sapagat po ngayon ay solemnity o kapistahan ni Santo Padre Pio. Sana po maisaulo natin ang salitang pray, hope, and don't worry sapagat ito po ay kinakailangan sa panahong ito lalo na sa ating bansa na tila'y naghahanap tayo ng pag-asa. Kung kaya't po sana ang lahat na nakikinig sa akin, nanonood sa akin ngayon ay huwag niyong kalimutan. Pray, hope, and don't worry. Happy Fiesta po dito sa Santo Padre Pio.
Kami pong mag-asawa ni Rene and Ellen Lantin at ang pamilya namin ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa Panginoong may kapal sapagkat kung wala siya, wala kaming magagawa. Kung ano man biyayang ipinagkaloob sa amin, tunay papurit pasalamat sa Kura Paroko, sa aming ama ng simbahan, Archbishop Gilbert Garcera at ang lahat ng mga kaparian. Salamat papurit pasalamat ang aming pinararating sa iyo, Panginoon. Salamat po sa inyong lahat.
As your Apostolic Nuncio, I'm very delighted to be here in the Archdiocese of Lipa at the National Shrine of St. Padre Pio. And on this occasion, in the name of Pope Leo, I want to wish everyone a marvelous and grace-filled fiesta, a wonderful feast day of St. Padre Pio. May Padre Pio intercede for you, and may Mama Mary, Our Lady, watch over you always. God bless each and every one of you.
We are here at the shrine of Santo Padre Pio as pilgrims of hope. I invite you to reflect on how Padre Pio's life teaches us how to journey through this time, especially our crisis in the country. Pope Francis wants us to be like travelers of hope this year. As travelers, as destination, but they are also open to what they might find along the way. How can we be like Padre Pio? I offer 3 suggestions. Be helpers for hope. Second, pray a lot. Best step is to talk to God.
Naway ang bawat punong ating itatanim ay maging tanda ng pag-asa at pagmamahal. at magsilbing alaala para sa susunod na henerasyon na ingatan at pahalagahan ang kalikasan bilang kaloob ng may kapal.
Bumabati po ako sa lahat ng devotees and pilgrims ni Santo Padre Pio ng isang maligayang kapistahan ng kanyang feast. Nawa po sa kanyang intercession ay maging kalugod-lugod sa Panginoon ang ating pagdidebosyon sa Kanya at makamtan ng bawat isa sa atin na naniniwala at umaasa sa Kanyang intercession. Sa inyo pong lahat, maraming pong salamat. Bahala na ang Diyos na gumanti sa inyong kabutihang loob.
So, my dear brothers and sisters in Christ, for me as the representative of Pope Leo here in the Philippines, it gives me a lot of joy and happiness to share this parish fiesta with you. Let's continue to be faithful in our mission as Christians in the world. Let's spread the love of God around us. Let's spread the hope that comes to us through the sacraments of the Church. May God bless each and every one of you, and I wish you all a very happy fiesta.